If you want to scan a document on OnePlus 15R, in that case we can use the camera app. Once you open the camera, we can go ahead and go to the More section in order to find the doc scanner. Of course, we need to grant all necessary permissions to be able to use the scanner. And now we should be able to point at the document in here. There we go. And once we scan the document, once it is properly highlighted, we can use the shutter button in order to capture the document and scan it. We can of course keep going. We can go to the next page of our document and keep scanning new pages. We can also tap on the so far scanned documents in order to see how it looks like. We have the AI enhance as well, so we should be able to see in a second how it looks like. We can use this trash icon in order to remove the page, and we have some additional options in here. Of course, we can press this plus button in order to keep going, or you can use export once you are done with scanning, and you can export as an image, or you can export as a PDF document. And afterwards, we can just easily open it. Let's say we're gonna use this. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.